Assalamualaikum and hi Misha Adira, who are our lecturer for subject math and also the fellow lecturers. So today we, group number 7, will present to you our group assignment, which is compound interest and retailing mathematics. But first of all, let me introduce my group members, which is first is me. Hi, I am Nur Soleha Binti Rahim, and the next to me is Dania Kalisha Binti Syarul Akram. And the third person is Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Zaki. And the last person is Tengku Muhammad Irfan bin Tengku Rosli.
What is compound interest? Compound interest is the interest on savings on calculate on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest for previous period. Compound interest is based on the principle that always change. Compound interest equals the total amount, principal and interest in future of future value minus principal amount at present or present value.
Formula of compound interest. There are terms that are important in understanding compound interest is. For example, its original principal as P, nominal rate as K, interest period as T, frequency of conversion as M, period interest rate as I, where I is equal to K over M. Number of interest period in the investment period in 1 year is N equal to MT. T must be in year. The formula for compound interest is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of N, where S is accumulated value after N investment period, while P is principal value.
Case study 1. Two financial institutions charge different interest rates for loan. Financial institution A, interest rate is 5.8% compounded monthly. B, 6.2% compounded every 2 months.
If you want to borrow 45,000 ringgit, find the total amount that you must pay and the amount of interest charged after 5 years for both financial institutions. For financial institution A, K is 5.8 divided 100, so K is 0.058, M equal 2, P equal 45,000 ringgit. Then I equal 0.058 divide 2. So the answer for I is 0.00483. After that, N equal 5 multiply 12. We get 60 for N. So S equal 45,000 ringgit, bracket 1 plus 0.00483, bracket power of 60. And then the answer for S is 60,085 ringgit 28 cents.
For financial institution B, given interest rate is 6.2%. M is 6 because compounded every 2 months. And P is RM 45,000. The value of S and I is unknown. The answer for I is 0.01. Then N equal 5 multiply 6, so the answer for N is 30. I just continue to use S equal P in bracket 1 plus I in bracket formula of N formula to find S. S equal RM 45,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.01 in bracket power of 30. The answer for S is RM 60,653.20. After that, to find I, we use I equal S minus P formula, and then we get I equal RM 60,653.20 minus 5,000. So the answer for I is RM 50,653.20. Which financial institution will you choose? Verify your result. I will choose financial institution B because the amount of interest charged in financial institution B more higher than financial institution A.
What is retailing mathematics? Retail math is a collection of math-related knowledge and math formulas that are used in retail industry. The difference between selling price and the cost price is the retailer's Markup is known as gross profit or profit margin. Markup or gross profit is usually expressed in percent, meaningless without the base.
For the formula of retailing mathematics, terms that are important in understanding in retailing mathematics is S, which is selling price, C is cost price, and M is a markup. Selling price is equal to cost price plus markup, but this formula also can be used to find S or M, which is you just need to move it to be the subject. Markup or gross profit is usually expressed in percentage, and the most important is the percentage and need to into decimal. How to find markup on cost price in percentage is equal to markup divided by cost price and multiply it with 100%. And the same way to find markup on selling price is equal to markup divided by selling price and multiply it with 100%.
Case study 2 Retailing Mathematics. An air fryer is sold at 2,500. The amount of markup is 25% based on the cost price. Question number 1. Based on the question number 1, express the markup in M in terms of cost price. I use the formula M equal to the amount of markup, which is 25% multiplied by the cost price, replaced by capital C. 25% convert to decimal digits. The answer is M equal to 0.25C. Question number 2. The next question is to calculate the cost of the air fryer. For this question, I use formula C equal to S minus M. Capital C is cost price and capital S is selling price and capital M is stand for markup. The value of M I take from the question number 1 that I have calculated. M equal to 0.25C. For the value of S, I take from the question, which is the selling price of the air fryer is Rm 2,500. So now I need to find the value of C. Replace the value in the formula. C equal to 2,500 minus 0.25C. To find the value of C, I move the 0.25C to the in front. So C plus 0.25C equal to 2,500, and I got 1.25C equal to 2,500. Next, I move 1.25 to the right. So C is equal to 2,500 over 1.25%. 2,500 divided by 1.25. The answer is C equal to Rm 2,000. The next question is question number 3. I use the formula M equal S minus C. So M equal to 2,500 minus 2,000, and the answer is M equal to Rm 500.
For question B, a home theater is marked 20% on selling price. If the markup amounts to 400 ringgit, find the first Roman is selling price of the home theater, which is M, is equal to 20% multiplied with S, and it will be M equal to 0.2S. M is equal to 400 ringgit, and S is the unknown. M equal to 0.2S, which is replace 400 in M, which is it will be 400 equal to 0.2S, and move 0.2 to the left, which is it will be 400 divided by 0.2 equal to S, and S equal to 2,000 divided by 0.2 equal to S, and S equal to 2,000. The second Roman is find cost of the home theater, which is I'm using the formula C is equal to S minus M, and C is equal to 2,000 ringgit minus 400 ringgit, and the answer is C equal to 1,600 ringgit.
That's all from us. Thank you.